Hi students of class 12. Last video lesson you have learned about sickle cell anemia and thalassemia, two hemoglobin based disorders, and comes under autosomal recessive traits, which means that the defective gene is located in the autosome. Once a gene is located in the autosome, it is noticed that both males and females are equally affected. Also, the mutated gene is a recessive gene. Any recessive gene can be expressed only in the homozygous condition. So, sickle cell anemia and thalassemia are autosomal recessive disorders. In today's video lesson, you will be learning two other genetic disorders, namely hemophilia and color blindness. These two diseases are sex-linked recessive disorders. Now, you will learn later why these diseases are known as sex-linked recessive disorders. So this hemophilia, also known as royal disease, because the disease appeared in Queen Victoria's children and through them spread into royal families of Europe. That is why this disorder is known as royal disease. Now hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease caused due to the mutation of genes present in the X chromosome. In the previous class, you have learned that the mutated gene were located in the autosomes, whereas in hemophilia, you can see the mutated gene is located in the sex chromosome, or simply you can call it as X chromosome. This disease mainly affects males rather than females. The reason is the mutated gene is located in the sex chromosome or X chromosome, and males have only one X chromosome, whereas females have two X chromosomes. So once the mutated gene is inherited by the male, there is no corresponding allele for the gene in the Y chromosome. So whatever the male inherits will be expressed. The possibility of a female becoming a hemophilic is extremely rare, because mother of such a female has to be at least carrier and the father should be hemophilic. Only then a hemophilic female can be produced. Now this disease is also known as bleeder's disease. This is because blood clotting involves a chain or cascade of proteins, and a single protein that is a part of the cascade involved in the blood clotting is affected. As a result, a simple cut will result in non-stop bleeding in the affected individual. That is why we call this disease as bleeder's disease. Now, what are the genotype of hemophilia? As the genes are located in the X chromosome, you can use the symbols XY and XX. The genotype of normal male, unaffected male, is XY, and that of normal female is denoted as XX. A hemophilic male is denoted as XHY. Why no H is written here? Because Y chromosome do not carry any allele for the gene. That is why hemophilic male is written as only XHY. Hemophilic female is denoted as XHXH, and carrier female is denoted as XXH. So these are the genotypes of the hemophilia. Now here you can see a situation of hemophilia. The woman is a carrier woman. So the genotype of carrier woman is XXH. And the man is hemophilic. The genotype is XHY. The woman produced two types of gametes. Some gametes carrying the X chromosome and some gametes carrying the XH. Hemophilic male also produced two types of gametes, some gametes carrying the XH and some gametes carrying the Y. Fusion of the gametes, there is a possibility of getting a carrier daughter, a hemophilic daughter, a normal son and a hemophilic son. Another sex-linked recessive disorder is the color blindness. What do you mean by color blindness? Unable to distinguish red and green color. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder. The mutated gene is located in the sex chromosome, that is the X chromosome. And also the mutated gene is a recessive gene. Only in the homozygous condition the gene can be expressed. This mutated gene is most commonly seen in males rather than females. The reason is males have only one X chromosome and there is no corresponding allele for it in the Y chromosome. Whatever the male inherit will be expressed. This is the reason why more males are affected in sex-linked diseases. A daughter will not normally be colorblind unless her mother is a carrier and her father is colorblind. Like hemophilia, the genotype of colorblindness is normal male is denoted as XY, normal female is XX, colorblind male is XCY. Here you have to write the letter C. XCY. Colorblind female is XCXC. Carrier female is XXC. So when a carrier female marries a colorblind male, carrier female is denoted as XCX and colorblind male is denoted as XCY. The progenies are colorblind female or colorblind male or carrier female or normal male. So colorblindness I already mentioned, due to defect either red or green cone of eye resulting in the failure to discriminate between red and green color. So this is a normal vision and this is a person suffering from color blindness, red-green confusion, a form of color blindness. So hope all of you have enjoyed my video. If so, please click like, subscribe and comment, and also visit my website for detailed notes www.ranipradeep.com. Thank you.